Hey everyone, Peter Garian here with Secret Beach Homes, and I wanted to kind of show you something that we like to do when we're coming up with new ideas and new concepts for homes, right? Sometimes we like to take inspiration from the internet, and what we do is we'll take some home plans or home designs that are available online, and these are the types of things that you can purchase through different websites and that sort of thing. And the one we're going to show you here is actually something that you can purchase through the internet. It's nothing to do with us. It's just one of these, online home designs that you see out there. But what we like to do is we like to take inspiration from some of these home designs, right? So I'm gonna take this screen down here. Hopefully you can see everything there. And what this is a house that we found online, and we said, okay, so here's something that has a nice look to it. It's actually designed as a pool house the way it is, but we thought to ourselves, could this be something that you would see in Belize? As it sits here, you see it's kind of a wooded background and that sort of thing, but we thought to ourselves, how would something like this look in Belize? And can you take something like this and adjust it and make it fit the design and the look that you find at Secret Beach or in other places in Belize? And so what I'll do is I'll just show you kind of what we did to make a little bit of an update. And this is not to steal anybody's work or change anything around, but we just kind of took it and made it our own. So if you like the original, I'll leave a link to credit the original designer. But we will move along here and show you what we did with it. And so here you go. We took it and made it a secret beach house, so to speak. We raised it up on piers and on concrete posts, and just gave it a little bit of a different taste there, a different touch of design. So we like to do this. We like to take inspiration from other designs and other types of homes and see if it would fit with Secret Beach, right? So here we are with this, and here's the floor plan. Again, it was originally a pool house, and so we would maybe reconfigure this a little bit to make it more of a living space if someone wanted to make it an actual home. As you can see, it's a 28 by 20 design. It's got a big front porch there. It's got a living area, and then it has what's called they're calling it an entry because it was originally just like I said, like a pool house. You could make that a bedroom. It would be a little bit of a small bedroom, 10.6 by 6.10, right? So basically an 11 by 7. Might be a little bit tight for a bedroom, but you could make it work. But we could reconfigure this a little bit, and make it more of a living space. Maybe even just open it up and have it like a studio style, or reconfigure things so that it's an actual one bedroom. It's whatever you want to do with this type of thing. Things can be reconfigured, but it's just really to take inspiration and to take some ideas and sort of make them your own, right? So I'm curious as to what you guys might do if you were to if you like this design and you wanted to reconfigure it into a home. How would you make changes, right? So there's that. Here's the original again. There it is with the Secret Beach flair, and that's about it. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the insight that we use when we're coming up with inspiration for home designs in Secret Beach.
Hey, are you investing in Secret Beach? Are you buying land? Are you building a home or investment property? Follow our journey as we build homes and develop land in Secret Beach. Or connect with us. We'd love to hear from you. You can reach us at our email, secretbeachhomes@gmail.com, or at our website, secretbeachhomes.com. See you in Belize.